What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Not gonna lie, I was thinking I need to change up the intro because it's just boring. I'll try to work something out on the intro, and yeah, I want to try definitely get a good intro, maybe even a little cartoon animation or something like that, depending on the budget. But yeah, people, man, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Please support the channel. Let's get it, up. Thank you very much for the 3,000 subscribers. It's time to get that 4K, that 5K, that 10K, 20, and up and up and up. But yeah, people, enough of all that nonsense. Let's just get straight into this one. So we've got that Puma box. That green Puma box. Everyone knows what these are. A pair of Pumas, of course. So, the standard box, green and white Puma. Green and white Puma. A little sticker, green and white. Green and white Puma. Sizing conversion chart and all the rest of it. Let's get to the most important bit, the label. So this one says RSX Efekt, I believe that's how you say it, Efekt Premium PRM, and then the colorway is Puma Black, strong grey, 3907761. I think that's a style code. Size UK 10, Euro 44.5, US 11, and UK 29 centimeters. But let's see what it is. Well, they're not really wrapped up because I've already worn them, or I've already tried them on, not worn yet. We've got the new Puma RSX. And the reason I'm so happy here is because the one thing that annoyed me about them has been fixed. The tongue isn't extremely long anymore. And thank you, Puma. Thank you. I've literally said in my old video, like, I want the tongue to be a bit shorter. I don't know if they watched my video or not, but thank you so much. Thank you, man. I'm so happy that you did that because these now look even more amazing on foot. Let's just go through the colors and all that stuff. They've even changed the sole up, actually. It's got a bit more different little grippy parts. So all blacked out sole. It says Puma RSX, which is different to what it said previously. It says something like Puma running system. We've got that black mid sole with the little patterns, so a few different patterns here and there, all around black mid sole. Then we've got bits of suede nubuck on the bottom. With the toe box, it's more of a felt type material, to be honest, and so is that bit on the toe box. We've got a bit of mesh there, mesh in the backgrounds. And then we've got this little odd leather, or whatever you want to call it. On the back, we got the plasticky part that says RSX. So that plastic goes literally like the whole heel. Then we've got a little pull tab. We always need a little pull tab. I'm kind of all over the place on this one. Sorry, people. We've got some suede there. We've also got the rounded laces. The rope laces, which I love on pairs like this, man. They just look good. I don't know what it is, they just bang. What else have we got? Yeah, so we got the little lever on the Puma swoosh, as I call it. So the actual Puma logo on the back heel. That's more of a kind of felt. So it's a mix of different materials. We've got a bit of plastic, bit of leather, bit of this, bit of that. But let me tell you, people, this pair I loved so much trying it on. Literally tried it on. I was like, yes, this is it. I've bought another pair. So I've got 2 pairs now. I had to double up. I haven't doubled up for so long. I just had to do it for these, man. That's how much I literally love them. Like, I love them so much. Like, it's my favorite shoe now. Like, this is my favorite shoe, or second favorite, but definitely is my favorite shoe, like, at the moment, in terms of silhouette, whatever. Because, you know, Nike I'm having a bit of issues with and all that stuff. Puma, thank you, man. Puma always rescues me when I need it most. What a sneaker. They're just so good on foot with just a plain black tracksuit. You know, any tracksuit really, they'll look so good with, like, a fitted tracksuit, you know, tapered. Even a tech fleece. I'll wear these with a tech fleece. I don't really care. But I absolutely love them, man. I'm so happy with them. It's just amazing. I forgot to mention the inside, that running system, and then the lovely comfort. I always go for comfort now, people, man. We got that running system insole. I love it, man. I'm so happy with this pair. Just the colorway is like, it's grey, it's black, but it's nice. Black and grey. It's basically triple black. I'm gonna call them triple black, but obviously got to title them a bit different for everyone, so they watch the review of the right sneaker, the right trainer. But yeah, people, man, tell me what you think of these. Tell me if you like them. Tell me if you hate them. Tell me if you rate them. Tell me if you dislike them. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you got a pair. If I've influenced you, I'm sorry, but come on, man, this pair is amazing. Just let me know what you think, people, man. As always, on foot to follow, so just wait a few moments and you'll see the on foot. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, and most importantly, take care, people.